Today I'm going to show you how I prepare this delicious stir-fry vegetables that is not only good for the body but enjoyable. All of my ingredients are already prepared. Let's begin. In a frying pan, using 1 teaspoon of avocado oil, add in 2 ounces of carrots, broccoli, and snow peas, 1 ounce of butternut squash, 3 ounce cabbage, 0.80 ounce of onions, 3 ounce mushrooms, 2 1/4 teaspoon of fresh thyme and minced garlic, 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, and 2 1/4 teaspoon of dried basil. Mixing plays a huge role to bringing these veggies to perfection. Why? Because we want to distribute every seasoning we added to the pan to each stem of veggies, and as we can see, that is a process. We would also want to separate the veggies, such as the cabbage, if you decided to add it to your veggies, as they can stick together. Keep in mind, sometimes the seasonings don't spread out, but they be in one area. Mixing is key. For flavor and moisture, we want to add in 1 teaspoon of virgin coconut oil. You don't have to add it, you can add water to prevent drying out, but this is the finishing touch. And then we want to mix again. Ensure your stove is on medium-low heat. Not sure what type of stove you have, but strive to prevent your veggies from drying out. Next, we want to add in 0.50 ounce of fresh spring mix. The greens take the veggies to another level. Because the veggies cuts are in julienne slices, you want to pay attention to the direction your spoon is going, and mixing carefully to prevent breakage, and they're ready to serve. You can pair these with your meal, eat as is, or with a refreshing smoothie. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing, like, and share. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.